everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abiola. It's been a while. It's for good. Hope you guys are well and okay. So today we'll be making a ruffle skirt, just as you are seeing on the screen right now. And what you need for this style is you need your basic pattern, your basic skirt pattern, and I have done a detailed tutorial on that. I will just drop the link on the description box below so that we can flow along. And please, if you are new to our YouTube channel, you are welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so and click on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime we put on new videos. Subscription is free. Please subscribe. Thank you. So let's get down to business. This is my basic skirts, and I have my bands. Don't worry, once you watch the video you understand. Now we want to alter this basic skirt. You just follow one of the dart legs, then mind you have to cut it on fold like I have done. Can you see that my pattern is on fold? Then I'll just open it up like this, and this is my first dart leg, and this is also the second one. So I chose this side, so you can choose any side you want. I chose this side. What you will do is just to extend the dart leg down straight to the hem, and from that dart end you come up by 5 inches. You just measure 5 inches from the hem line or more, depending on how high you want it to be or how revealing you want the skirt to be. So after the 5 inches, you connect straight to this side seam here, and then you connect it with a straight ruler to the other side seam. So the next thing is for us to cut out. So this is my dart legs here, cutting out the darts like so. Okay guys, so I am through. Can you see the shape, how beautiful it is? So while transferring to fabric, add ½ inch for joining, and also the upper parts. Sorry, let me use the pen so that you can see it very well. Add 0.5. I've added my side seam allowance already, then this side, then the down part to ½ inch. So what I want to do now is to transfer to my fabric, and we will now continue. Okay guys, so I have transferred to fabric. As we can see, this is the front. Remember, we slash open the darts for the front, and also this is a back pattern, and I have my bands here. I had interface ST just to add some structure to the band. So what we want to start doing now is to start sewing. The first thing you will do is to hold down your dart for the 2 back pieces. Remember, this one we have cut open the dart, so this other one that we did not cut open, you hold it down too. After which you will now hold the sides. Yes, please leave this one for now. After which you hold the sides to be like this. Then this other side, the second side to that other. Let me just show us so that we understand. I'm also lining my own. This is the center back, this is the side. Can you see? Yes, remember we cut open the fronts as because of the design at the front, so don't mind the lengths. We are going to attach a flounce to it to make the design we are trying to make. So this is how it will look like. Then let me quickly go and do that, all the darts, all the sides, then come back and continue Then mind you, repeat the same thing too for the lining. Then you can use any fabric of your choice. Yes, so let me quickly go and do that and come and show us. Okay guys, so I have held all the sides of our skirts, so I expect you to do the same thing. You hold all the sides, but you will leave the darts that we cut out. Let me show us on the pattern. This side, this other side, yes, you will leave it open like that, but hold all the sides, including the zipper allowance. Yes, but you will not just close it all through, just leave like some inches for the zipper. So the next thing for us to do now is to cut out our flounce. Yes, and how do you go about that? Let me still use the pattern to explain. So this is what you will do. You want to start measuring from here to this side, you note it down. To this other side, you note it down. Then to the back too. You know this back is 2 pieces. You measure. If you want it to, if you want the flounce to enter into your zipper allowance, fine. And if you don't want it to enter into your zipper allowance, fine. But it will not enter into the side seam. You know, we've held down the side seam. So you just measure, and this one, whatsoever you have here, for example, if you have like 11 inches here, you know it's times 2, because the back is in 2 pieces, times 2. Then what you have here, not the here and here together like this, so 1 piece is just fine. You measure what you have here to this side, and then everything, the total. If you have for me, okay, let me use my own. For me, I have 60. So 60 divided by 6.28, because we are going to be cutting a full flare, and then my radius was 9.5. Then the length of the flounce depends on you, on how long or how short you want it to be. So for me, I did 10 inches, seam allowance inclusive. So I have cut out my flounce. So let me just show us how to go about it. You just fold. You fold your fabric. For example, this is a fabric. This is, you fold it once like this, and you fold it again to have a square. You have this shape, you have a square. Then from this apex, you measure your radius. For example, mine is 9.5. You measure with your tape rule. So from this apex, you want to place your tape rule. Then you measure your 9.5. I am assuming this is my 9.5. Just measure your 9.5 all around like this. And from there, you measure your length, and then you cut out to have your flounce. That is as simple as that. And then this is mine, you can see. Then you want to, is either you weave, or you just use a bias, or you just do a rolled hem. A rolled hem is just folding like this once, then twice, folding it twice like this. So either one is fine, but for me, I just use my bias to hem. So, and then you will attach it to where you measured, starting from, let me show us. I have not sewn, I just pin it down. So can you see my attachments? Okay guys, so I thought to show us very well. You see, this is our flounce. Can you see I have attached this side? Remember, I just want us to understand from the pattern. Remember these two sides, I said you should not stitch down. That's when you attach the flounce all around till you get to the end of this side. Can you see? You still have another opening. So this opening will come like this. Remember, it's right side, facing right side, like this. And you stitch it together till you get to this end here. Can you see it's matching up? It must match up like this. So if you like, lining is optional here. You can use lining, and then if you don't want to line, this rough edge here, you can just weave or use bias to tape, but I want to line. Yes, I want to line my own. So everything you've done to the fabric, you repeat it to the line. Can you see I have held down all the seam allowances, and then I left this side open. Can you see the two sides? Then you are not going to attach flounce to this one, so we are going to use this lining to turn it in. Yeah, so after holding this one down, you will go and hold this one down too. Can you see? Then you now insert it into the fabric so as to turn this other side, because I'm using lining, so I want to turn it in so as to get the neat finishing. Then we are coming back to the upper part because we still want to attach our band. So let me quickly go and do what I have explained. Okay guys, so as you can see, our skirt, it's coming out beautiful. So now we want to use our lining to turn it to achieve inseam finishing. So what you want to do is you can see this is the right side, and remember our rule is right side facing right side, isn't it? Yes. So this is the right side now. I have to bring it out here. So I will wear this is the right side. So the right side of this one go into the right side of this of the fabric, the right side of the lining, facing the right side of the fabric. Then we have an indication like this one now is the zipper side. So on the fabric too, I will look for the zipper side. Okay, yes, I've seen it here, so I'll just trace it down. Yes, this is the zipper side. Just open it up like this, let it match, and then try to tuck in the flounce, because I'm not turning the flounce. What I want to turn is this stitch so as to achieve a perfect finishing. So can you see? Then you just pin it all around. You pin it all around. Try to tuck it as you pin. Try to tuck in the flounce. Okay, so after that, you can see I have pinned all around. You bring it out. Let me bring it out for us to see. Bring in the lining like this, and let me show us the inside. Can you see? So neat, you won't see any seam there. So that is one of the advantage you enjoy in our online class. Yes, we teach our students a perfect inseam finishing. So if you want to enroll, you can contact the admin number. So that is by the way. And then after that, you attach the band to in a seamless way. Yes, and if you like, you can just attach it all around with the lining and use bias to tape. But as for me, because I am used to it, I'll attach my band now using lining to turn it to achieve an inseam finishing. So guys, next thing you will see is the picture of our beautiful ruffled, you can call it a ruffle skirt, you can call it a flounce skirt.